Tiga. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, we are from Group Gadis, and today we would like to present the 50% progress of our project entitled Classification of Food Security Information in Indonesia Online News Using Knife Bias. In this presentation, we will explain the progress of our data collection, pre-processing, and feature extraction stage. Web scraping and data acquisition. At this stage, we use the FeedParser library to read Google News RSS feed data and Beautiful Soup to clean the HTML text contained in the news documents. This process allows us to collect online news articles automatically and prepare the text data for future analysis. In this slide, we create a custom function called scraping underscore Google underscore news. This function is designed to retrieve important news component in real time, including the news title, summary, publication date, and article link. By using this function, the data collection process becomes structured and efficient. And the slide will be delivered by Yuri.
Okay, query categorization. In this stage, we divided the search process into two categories. The first category consists of 10 food security related queries labeled as label 1, while the second category consists of 10 general non-food security queries labeled as label 0. This labeling process is important because it helps the model learn the differences between food security news and non-food security news. Okay, next. Next is automatic scraping process. After defining the queries, we implemented an automatic looping process to run the scraping function repeatedly. The system automatically collects the news article based on both food security keywords and non-food security keywords. This automation helps us gather data more efficiently and consistently. Okay, next. Next, we have creating and data frame. In this step, all raw data obtained from the scraping process was combined into a structured tabular format using a pandas data frame. The data frame stores information such as the article text, labels, published dates, and links. This structure makes the dataset easier to process and analyze in the next stage. Next, data cleaning. At this stage, we perform data filtering to improve data quality. First, we remove empty rows using Dropna. Second, we remove duplicate news title using drop_duplicates. This process is important to prevent data bias and ensure that the dataset remains clean and reliable. Next, text processing preparation. In the pre-processing stage, we prepare the Sastrawi stemmer objects and manually created a list of Indonesian stop words. These stop words are common connector words that do not contribute significant meaning to the analysis, so they need to be removed from the news text. Okay, next slide will be delivered to Um,
Reni.
Reni.
Text cleaning process. Um, Next, we created a custom processing function.
To clean the text screen time. The processing step include cache folding, remove URLs, removing numbers and symbols, stop word removal, and stemming. This step helps transform raw text into cleaner and more standardized data for machine learning. Next. Playing processing. After creating the processing function, we apply it to the entire data set using the apply command. We also compare the original text with the cleaned text using several sample data layers. This process ensures that the text cleaning stage works correctly before moving to model training. Next. Dataset splitting. In this stage, the dataset was divided into training data and testing data using the 80 to 20 ratio. The clean text column was used as the future variable, while the label column was used as the target variables. We also use stratify Y and Y to maintain balanced class proportion in both the training and testing dataset. The next material review.
The FEDF feature extraction. Next, we transformed the cleaned text into a numerical vector using the TF-IDF method, which start for them frequency inverse document frequency. The number of unique words was limited to 5,000 features. The fit transform function was applied to the training data, while the testing data only used transform to avoid data leakage. This step converts textual information into numerical value that can be processed by the Naive Bayes algorithm. Next. In conclusion, the project has reached several important milestones. The data scraping stage has been completed successful. The next pre-processing stage has also been completed successful. In addition, the TF-IDF feature extraction stage has been completed successful as well. At this point, our dataset is ready for the next stage, which is model training and evaluation using the Naive Bayes algorithm. That is all for our presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.